The GWRC is a free resource brought to you through a partnership between the Arts and Sciences Graduate Center and the Writing Resources Center, with support from the School of Education and Virginia Institute of Marine Sciences. Located on the first floor of SWEM Library, the GWRC welcomes grad students for individual help at any stage of writing, from generating ideas to polishing a final draft. We offer individual writing consultations both in person and online via Zoom, as well as occasional workshops and write-ins, both virtual and in person, throughout the semester. Visit our website to find our calendar of events and schedule a free appointment with a peer consultant, where you'll strengthen your writing skills by working with a specially trained graduate writing consultant on any level and any type of graduate level writing at any stage of the process. Bring class assignments, research proposals, job cover letters, thesis and dissertation excerpts, or teaching statements at any stage of development. You will receive guidance to help you develop your writing and editing skills and to improve clarity, focus, and organization. We hope to see you for an appointment or a write-in at the Graduate Writing Resources Center soon.